Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glam jewelry box out of an empty Ferrero Rocher box. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. Besides the Ferrero Rocher box, all the materials were found at Dollar Tree or Dollarama, unless otherwise stated. First, we will need an empty Ferrero Rocher acrylic box. We will need some felt fabric, either black or white. We will also need 4 plastic napkin rings in silver. Dollar Tree sells 6 in a pack. We will need some crystal gem stickers as well as some silver glitter ribbon. Both Dollar Tree and Dollarama have an assortment that you can choose from. As per most of my DIY projects, we will also need some white glue as well as some hot glue. My glue gun is from Amazon. To begin, we will take the bottom half of the Ferrero Rocher box and using some white glue, line the bottom with felt fabric. For my box, I have chosen to use white felt fabric. Next, we use some hot glue to adhere 1 silver plastic napkin ring to the bottom of each corner of the box that we just lined with felt fabric. These 4 napkin ring holders will serve as legs for the box to give it some height. Then we use some glue to adhere the glitter ribbon along the inside perimeter of the box. This will slightly cover the felt fabric along the sides of the box. Next, we embellish the sides of the box that we lined with the felt fabric, as well as the top of the lid to cover where the Ferrero Rocher label resides. For this embellishment process, I have chosen to use the square gem stickers. Once the top of the lid is embellished, I add some smaller gem and pearl stickers along each side of the lid. And there you have it. We have transformed an empty Ferrero Rocher acrylic box into a beautiful glam jewelry box, so you can organize your rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.